Takahashi, aka Kaicho.
Kaicho, running 386. Today we're here to show you guys something pretty spectacular, something I've never seen before.
Yeah.
And I'm really excited.
First of all, I'm sorry about that. The sound.
We're at a track right now. Who
Yeah.
else is not at a track? We're always at a track.
Yeah. And anyways, today we will put the red hot LED headlight. Take a look at this.
This is LED headlights made by Basla. You can actually have 3 different colors by turning on your headlights on and off.
Yeah.
So
it changes not only color, it's color.
Yep.
So
So-
at first
6,500. Then next is 4,300. 3,000. Yeah. So this thing is pretty cool because it changes colors, and at the same time, it's really, really easy to change. It's a little different from what you usually see in the HID kits that you see, the generic ones and the previous ones. There's wires everywhere. You gotta do this and do that. But this is really easy. You just change the bulb, stick it into your stock headlight socket. That's it. You're done. Literally takes only 2-3 minutes.
Yeah, because they have many styles like H3, H7. Then mine is old school Corolla, so it has an H4 bulb. Then it is very easy to change the bulb.
Yeah, and also you have to understand that this car is like, you gotta understand that this car is old as him. I mean, this car is like 30 years old. So every car that's old, the wiring and everything is really old school. You know, the relays and
Yeah,
everything
okay,
is really,
anyways.
really weak.
Yeah, let's see how to put it on.
Yeah, let's
Okay.
go ahead and go for it.
じゃあまだこれ86はね結構簡単に玉変えられるんですよ。モザイク入れなきゃいけない。モザイク。はい、これは今ね車外の汚いけど LED じゃなくて HID がついてます。
うわ、なんか
なんかごちゃごちゃ
配線がちょっとやばい。
あ、やべえな、取れた。
会長、こんないっぱい軽量化する車なのにこんなにごちゃごちゃ配線ついてて大丈夫なの？
これはまずいですね。これちょっと配線を軽くして軽量化するしかないですね。そんな時にはどうすらそれは軽いと思いますよ。20g ぐらい。
撮ってる？まずこのボスラ、
これはね中華製の LED HID ね。
でこのボスラさんのは
これか。
これだけ。
そうです。もう
これだけ。
すごくちっちゃい。よし、
なんかこれごちゃごちゃしてない。
こうか？こうかな？こうか？これでいいのか？違うな。こうだ。車がね、ボロくてね、ちょっと時間かかっちゃってるけど。通常こんな手応えがいいです。
でも今喋ってる間だからものの 1,2 分で終わっちゃうよ。
見て。はい。これだけだね。で、
あとは固定したりとかするけど、じゃあもうつく状態ってことですよね。
速度は固定しないです。以上です。Okay, I'm done. So let's see how it works.
Yeah, let's check it out how it works. We changed only one side so you can see the difference in comparison between an old school headlight bulb and the new.
I'm gonna turn on the light.
Let's see. So the passenger side is the new one. Look at the difference. Changes color. Now it's yellow, or now it's really, really yellow. So the different number of kelvins depending on how you turn your lights on. So you can turn it on, turn it off, turn it on, turn it off, and it changes colors.
これで見て。
I view.
これいいんじゃない？
Alright, so this one has the old HID bulb in it. This has a new LED bulb in it. This one doesn't turn right on, and it's not as bright as this one. And this one is it doesn't use as much electricity. Very simple to put on. Installation is easy.
Yeah.
The light is brighter. Look at the difference. Same screen.
Hey, this is lighter.
It is lighter.
Yeah, lighter, yes.
It is the light. That's why it's lighter.
Oh, you are genius, man. Okay, if you want to buy that, check Amazon.
Yep. Check out Basla headlights. They have LED lights for different H3,
Okay.
H4.
See you guys
all
later.
kinds. All right, so that's all from us. So. 終わりはし